Done watching our video regarding wired peer-to-peer network and curious how to do it wirelessly? We've got you covered. For the 10th episode of the CSS Tech series, I, Alex Mabanta, together with Mr. Liam Polintan, will guide you all the way through on how to set up a wireless peer-to-peer network. Before we begin, you may turn off your firewall. You can leave it on, but there are instances that you can encounter network errors due to some software applications that prevent file sharing. Therefore, we recommend turning it off to be sure. Search Firewall in the Start menu and open the Windows Defender Firewall. Select the Turn Windows Defender on or off, then turn off both the private and public network settings. Click OK and your firewall is turned off. After turning off the firewall, we need to ensure that we have Wi-Fi connection and 2 computers. If you're ready, then let's get started. Step 1. Connect the computer to the Wi-Fi. Step 2. Change your device's dynamic IP address to a static IP address. To change it, press Windows +R, type ncpa.cpl, then hit Enter. In the Network Connection window, right-click the adapter you use, then click the Properties. Below the Networking tab, select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4, then click the Properties button. We still use IPv4 instead of IPv6 because IPv6 is still not yet available for all devices. Only IPv6 compliant devices can accept static IPv6 addresses, unlike static IPv4 addresses, which all devices can accept. Select the option Use the following IP address, then type a unique IP address, subnet mask, default gateway that is matched in your network setup. Don't forget to type your preferred and alternate DNS server addresses, which can be found in the lower part of the window, and click OK. However, you can still connect to the internet without DNS, but the number of websites you can access is limited. Step 3. Sharing files. To do this, let us follow the following steps. Open the Network and Sharing Center and select Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Turn on every sharing options on public. Then repeat all of these steps to the second device. Remember that their IP addresses should differ in host, but the networks are identical, and their default gateway should be the router's IP address. To check if you properly set the IP address, open the command prompt by typing cmd. Type ipconfig, then hit Enter. Check if the IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway match the one that you type in. Then type ping space the IP address of the other computer. If it does not show host unreachable, then it means that the computer is now connected to the other computer. Then repeat all of these steps to the second device. Create a folder and share it. There you can now access the files from the other computer and vice versa. Select the drive or folder you want to share with the network, right-click it, then choose Properties. Click the Sharing tab, then go to the Advanced Sharing. On the Advanced Sharing tab, click first the Share this folder option, then click the Permissions button. Next is to allow permissions for everyone by checking Full Control, Change, and Read. Lastly, click the OK button below. Next, go to the Security tab, select Edit, click Add, then type Eve on the Enter the object name to select, which means you give access to everyone, then click OK and Apply. Then, prepare the file you want to share to the second computer. and save it to the folder you created. Finally, check if the file has been shared to the other device by going to the File Explorer, selecting Network, and clicking the name of your first device. Open the folder and try accessing the file. Some may ask if the computer can still connect to a printer if it is in a peer-to-peer network. The answer is yes. It is one of the options in the advanced sharing settings. And that concludes our 10th episode. We hope that this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions or things that you want to learn regarding computers, feel free to type them in the comment section below. Goodbye and take care, everyone!